Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7, the latest foldable flagship that promises to redefine productivity, entertainment, and premium design. Is this foldable worth your upgrade? Or should you wait for the next wave? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice is the refined hinge system, making the Z Fold7 feel sturdier while being thinner and lighter than the Fold 6. It opens seamlessly into a massive 7.6-inch AMOLED display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. On the outside, the cover screen has also been expanded for easier one-hand use, making this the most practical fold yet. Under the hood, the Fold7 packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite processor paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, ensuring seamless multitasking across apps. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, or using Samsung DeX for desktop-like productivity, the Fold7 handles it without hesitation. The S Pen support on the inner display is even more responsive, making it perfect for note-taking, sketching, or precise photo editing. The camera system gets a solid upgrade with a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto, allowing you to capture crisp photos and 8K video. The under-display camera for video calls is less noticeable, giving you a true full-screen experience. Battery life sees a modest increase with efficient power management, providing a full day of heavy multitasking. Plus, you get fast wired and wireless charging to top up quickly. Pros: stunning inner and outer AMOLED displays, multitasking with up to 3 apps seamlessly, premium build with IPX8 water resistance, improved hinge durability and thinner design, S Pen compatibility, premium price point, slight crease still visible when unfolded, heavier than traditional smartphones. If you want a phone that transforms into a tablet, handles productivity on the go, and turns heads wherever you use it, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 is the foldable to beat in 2025. It's an investment, but for power users and tech enthusiasts, it's the ultimate gadget for multitasking and media consumption. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech and gadgets. Question of the day: would you consider switching to a foldable for your daily driver? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss. If you're ready to check out the Galaxy Z Fold7, grab it using our affiliate link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.